Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. One whale bought 35 billion Shib while market was crashing. Shiba Inu market performance during the global market correction. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. Please don't sell the Shibas you have and let's enjoy the wealth together. I'm going to show my own prediction on the chart. Shiba Inu lost 16% of its value at the peak but then, shortly after, recovered back at a 10% daily loss, which correlated with Bitcoin's market performance. Following yesterday's sell-off, Shiba Inu gained approximately 30% in one day but then dropped back at 15% daily profit. The token has been moving in a short range bound since November 26 and has not yet broken through either border of it. While some whales buy a significant amount of Shib, the market does not seem to react in any way. The volatility of Shib token remains low as both buying and selling pressure is reduced according to the volume indicator. Whales are buying more Shib before the cryptocurrency market crashed by more than 10% in one day. The 1,000 largest Ethereum wallets dropped more than 8% of their Shib holdings by entering into USDT and other stablecoins on the Ethereum chain. Currently, whale holding has increased back to pre-correction levels with approximately $1 billion worth of holdings remaining on whale tier wallets at press time. Shiba Inu's price does not seem to react in a positive way, while the token trades at 0.38 and 0.72% growth in one day. While Shiba Inu dials it down to a whimper, investors hold out hope for a comeback. Shiba Inu has been in the headlines for the entirety of October owing to its meteoric rise. Curiously though, the altcoin has placed itself on the list of the biggest losers of the month. Yet, more than the coin, it is always about the investors. Perhaps, it's time for them to take stock of their investment in Shib. Shiba Inu loses its bark while the 26th of November was a bad day for all altcoins. Shib's situation wasn't just confined to yesterday. After being kicked out of the top 10, the meme coin has been registering dips regularly throughout November, consequently, throwing its investors into losses. Though yesterday was the biggest dip of November for the entire crypto market, it wasn't the case for Shib as it has had a bigger drop of 20% on the 3rd of November. Since then the price has just been cascading and investors have been consistently losing their profits. As of press time, Shib lost out on 50% of all the growth observed during its October rally. About 100,000 investors who brought about the all-time high price of 3,135 are turning out to be the biggest sufferers at the moment. But they aren't alone, as over 39% of all Shib investors are currently at loss. However, with the bearish trend coming down for Shib, ref. Shiba Inu price action image, ADX under 25, it looks like investors are preparing for a rise. At the time of this report, the amount of Shib being sold is equal to what is being bought back. Well, it's possible that this could be the whales acquiring more Shib. As for the entirety of the month, they have been very active with volumes averaging at $200 to $300 million, and it even crossed $1 billion on the 26th of November. Anyhow, Shib's loyal army continues to grow as the network achieved the milestone of 1 million holders on the 25th of November. Moreover, it also received support for deposit and withdrawal on Crypto.com via Kronos, so adoption too continues to rise. Will Shiba Inu ever reach 1 cent? No. When, as per reports, Shib has managed to gain over 800% in a matter of weeks and went on to touch the new all-time high. New Delhi. Self-claimed Shiba Inu is still going strong amid many turmoils. The hype is still in the market that whether the meme coin will last longer in the game or its allure will fade away. Crypto investors are keeping a close eye on the latest developments around the Shib as the coin shatters many milestones. Recently, its official Twitter handle surpassed 1.8 million followers, beating Ethereum. This achievement is not surprising as the coin gained broad popularity since October. As per reports, Shib has managed to gain over 800% in a matter of weeks and went on to touch the new all-time high. Right now Shib is hovering around the 0.57 price range. There are many discussions going on in the internet space that whether the coin can sustain itself in the long term, considering its competitor Dogecoin. Some retail organizations are even considering adopting Shiba Inu as a means of payment. On the other hand, some see this project with skeptical eyes. Right now, Shib is riding inside a continuation pattern which eventually suggests a breakout from here. As per experts, an upward spike from here can turn into a massive upswing that can double the market value of the Shiba Inu. Popular meme token Shiba Inu plummeted 21.6% at this week's lows from Friday's close last week. This move was driven, in part, by a rather dismal performance across the entire cryptocurrency sector. Most major cryptocurrencies were down this week as a result of sector-specific forces. China cracked down on Bitcoin mining. Once again, crypto investors learned that the IRS was coming after their capital gains, and the US dollar was stronger. These were all catalysts that investors jumped on to explain this price action. However, a number of token-specific factors contributed to Shiba Inu's demise this week. These included reports that large-scale selling from whales, accounts that own a significant number of tokens, could pick up. Currently, it's estimated that approximately 2/3 of all SHIB tokens are held in just 10 wallets. Additionally, skepticism among momentum-driven investors with respect to the merits of Shiba Inu and other dog-inspired cryptocurrencies appears to remain high. Those holding big gains have incentives to sell and may be doing so right now as concerns about negative momentum heat up. It wasn't all bad news for SHIB holders. The meme token saw a brief spike earlier this week on news that AMC Entertainment has found a way to support ticket and concession purchases via SHIB and will start in 60 to 120 days. Crypto exchange Gemini announced it would be bringing Shiba Inu into the fold. And Zengo, a keyless non-custodial crypto wallet, announced it was adding functionality to support Shiba Inu as well. So what this week was perhaps less of a bloodbath than the overall numbers may suggest. SHIB tokens whipsawed back and forth, ultimately ending the week lower. However, there were some signs of life for investors keen on holding it. That said, there are some real risks Shiba Inu investors need to factor in right now. The incredible momentum-driven rally we saw take SHIB to all-time highs recently could result in inverse momentum on the downside. Investors may be enticed to take gains on the way down for fear of this token's price dissipating quickly. On the other hand, if this turns out to be a minor blip, investors may kick themselves for taking too much risk off the table. Now, what as with any highly speculative investment, risk management and capital preservation may take a back seat to the euphoria that comes along with the ride of a lifetime. Those who have held SHIB for the past few months have been on such a ride. However, sometimes it's a good idea to take a bit of cream off the top. If this correction in Shiba Inu turns right back around into a bull market, investors who sold a portion of a position, while keeping a comfortable amount of exposure, may sleep better at night. Right now, there's no telling where this meme token will go. Accordingly, investors should strap themselves in for another ride. And those watching from the sidelines should get their popcorn out. It's going to be interesting. Should you invest $1,000 in Shiba Inu right now? Before you consider Shiba Inu, you'll want to hear this. Our award-winning analyst team just revealed what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy right now. And Shiba Inu wasn't one of them. The online investing service they've run for nearly 2 decades, Motley Fool Stock Advisor, has beaten the stock market by over 4x. And right now, they think there are 10 stocks that are better buys. Shiba Inu is the largest crypto holding among Ethereum whales and could soon be the most profitable one according to Whale Stats data. The largest ERC20 token holdings of Ethereum whales as Shiba Inu. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.